in. We checked in at the hotel at 3 p.m. Clean up. We need to clean up the kitchen after dinner. Count on. You can count on me to help you. Get on. Please get on the bus quickly or we'll be late. Zoom in. Can you zoom in on that photo? Working on. I'm working on improving my English skills. Fill out. Please fill out this form before the appointment. Looks after. She looks after her younger siblings. Broke down. My car broke down on the way to work. Pick up. Can you pick me up from school? Break up. They decided to break up after 2 years of dating. Call back. I'll call you back as soon as I can. Found out. I just found out that the test is tomorrow. Check up on. I need to check up on my friend who's been sick. Lay off. The company had to lay off several employees. Put on. Don't forget to put on your jacket. It's cold outside. Get off. You need to get off at the next stop. Watch out. Watch out for cars when crossing the street. Hand in. Don't forget to hand in your assignment by Friday. Hang out. Do you want to hang out this weekend? Hold on. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. Take off. Please take off your shoes before entering the house. Pointed out. She pointed out a mistake in the report. Works out. She works out at the gym every evening. Turn off. Please turn off the lights before leaving. Dressed up. She dressed up for the party. Wake up. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Turn down. He turned down the invitation because he was busy. Add up. His explanation doesn't add up. It sounds suspicious. Mixed up. She mixed up the twins because they look so similar. Go ahead. If you're ready, go ahead and press the button. Filled in. He filled in the blanks on the test quickly. Calm down. Please calm down. Everything will be fine. Take out. Can you take out the trash? Show up. He didn't show up to the meeting. Put off. Don't put off your homework until tomorrow. Asked out. He asked her out on a date. Drop by. I might drop by your house later. Gave away. She gave away her old clothes to charity. Show off. He loves to show off his new car. Takes after. She takes after her mom in personality. Look up. You can look up the meaning of that word in the dictionary. Get over. It took her months to get over the loss of her pet. Let down. I promised to help her move, so I can't let her down. Looking for. She's looking for a new job that pays better. Keep up. Keep up the good work. You're doing great. Passed out. The nurse passed out the water bottles to everyone waiting. Grew up. I grew up in a small town. Go on. Please go on with your story. Give up. Don't give up. You're almost there.